Assalamualaikum all of you. I'm Dr. Shireen and I'm going to have my second lecture, and the topic which I have chosen to speak on today is sports psychology. So very shortly we would be able to learn about the term sports psychology and its nature. So let's begin the topic. Sports psychology is the science in which the principle of psychology are applied in the context of exercise and sports in order to enhance the performance of athlete. Understanding the behavior, the feeling and thought of athlete or sports related people in sports or exercise setting is the main focus of sports psychology. Besides, this is how to see the effect of psychological and emotional factors on the performance of athlete. So we need to see that how athletes are able to learn such behaviors to apply the knowledge of psychology. Athletes may learn a way to improve their performance, their skills. They may be able to develop their positive attitude toward physical skills and life skills. And sports psychology enhances the social psychology aspects of human enrichment. Athlete performance is influenced by many psychological and emotional factors. After attending sports psychology, an athlete is able to see if he understands his personality traits, he get motivated, and he understands how to raise his extrinsic motivation or intrinsic motivation. He would be able to understand how to control his aggression. He would be knowing that how would he be managing his anxiety, and he would be knowing that how would he be competing during competition. Moreover, he would be knowing that how is he going to display his confidence, how would he be improving his self-image, how would he be able to display his leadership skills, how would he be working on his team cohesion, and how would he be coping with stress and anxiety. So this way, he understands his dealing with his sports, and he is able to relate his performance with his feelings, and this way he is able to improve his performance after working on his emotions. Let's see a bit of history of sports psychology. Sports psychology area was discovered by Norman Triplett in 1897. After analyzing the performance of cyclists under the condition of social facilitation, he came up with findings that cyclists won the race due to social facilitation, and crowd effect did have positive effect on his performance, and that crowd effect was facilitating for him, facilitating factor for him. This way, he was able to discover sports psychology area. After him, Coleman Robert, who who is referred sports psychology father, and he was credited for um, establishing sports psychology laboratories, where he was able to analyze the nature of psychomotor skills, motor learning, and the relationship of um, um, personality and performance. 1950 to 1980 were the year which were considered formative years for sports psychology, and in the said time span, sports psychology began to emerge and people started knowing about sports psychology. They started establishing laboratories. They started working on the psychology of athletes. They started analyzing the performance in the light of sports psychology. After that, there was Bruce Ogilvy, who is referred as father of applied sports psychology. Moreover, Rainer Martin is believed the father of modern sports psychology. So this is the short introduction of sports psychology. Hope so you understand, and I'll be seeing you in next class. Until we say goodbye.